You know they can hear you tiptoeing in the background, right? Clickety clack, clickety clack. Yeah. Got some nerve. Fucking chihuahuas. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna address the elephant in the room before anyone else does. Yes, I did struggle with my wig in my last video. Honestly, was just trying to hide my big ass forehead. But it's only this way because of all the disrespectful thoughts I keep to myself. Wow! Anyway, today's video is me buying a bunch of unnecessary shit that I didn't need, but I bought it because there was a sale and I had to use my own tools. Let me show you. Oh god, I'm about to blow my back out with this box. So today's video, we're gonna put this shit on our face. I'm not going through everything in this box because that we will be here all day. Today, we will be using, I try to like order something at everything, but honestly like they didn't have any foundations I wanted or concealers or whatever, so we just gonna use something I already had. But in regards to everything else, we're going to use No Problem Touch and Soul Primer. Face palette, we got the Kylie Jenner face palette. Let's see if this is any good. A little skeptical. I already know this is good because all her stuff is good. The Natasha, Denona, eyeshadow. We will be trying out today. And because I have a problem, we already talked about this. New face mix. It is Zero Chill by Florence. Florence by Mills. That's that little girl in Stranger Things. You watch that show, that's 11. 11 got a makeup skincare line. Get you some. Oh. Ready to draw my brows. You see, the goal is to make them look like sisters, not cousins. I'm using a TheJunoCo cloud sponge. Way better than the Beauty Blender. Look how squishy. So we're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona mini Lila palette. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Cosmetics. If y'all like marble and shit, this is a beautiful brush. We gonna go in right here with this color. You know what I'm saying? I'm tag it off the brush. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Think we getting somewhere. I don't know. I ain't got no hand-eye coordination, so I didn't play Selfie or nothing. I would have probably like hit myself in the face. Tap off the excess. For our cut crease, we will be using Colourpop No Filter Concealer in white. Take this on the back of your hands and you gonna look up. You see that spot right there? That's where it should end. That's as good as it's gonna get right now, ladies and gentlemen. So this is where we are. I'm gonna look like an 80s streetwalker. Oh my god, every time I pack it on, I'm just like, whew. come in that pretty purple. You see that right there? You see that right there? We're gonna wear that to mix up on my face. If I want a sharp line, which I do with this book, I'm gonna take my eyeliner, right? This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I usually start at the front and go out. I know some people like to start here and go in. It's your business, it's your life, do what you want. Ooh, it has a pump. I like to use my fingers. Oh, it feels like a silicone-y type product. Yeah, it has a silicone-y feel to it. Not like Smashbox primer or anything like that. This is very good, greasy feeling. Maybe when it dries down, it'll have that slip to it. But for my pore area, I kind of like to do this kind of motion. Looks like I'm picking my nose, but I'm not. You just kind of pat it in, just push it in those pores. Especially like on the nose. Oh, my nose eats some makeup, man. Well, soon, if this primer's trash, it's gonna slide right off. Oh, I think we like this. Anyway, this is the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. This is the Sephora Pro Foundation Brush 47. I'm gonna show you. We're really, literally gonna paint our face like Mulan right now. Artisan Beauty Blender. I'm gonna take some of the Smashbox Love Ritual. That sounds like witchcraft or brujeria, like love ritual. You're going to stay with me forever. This will take the streak out, but you're gonna see why I love this foundation. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now, moving on to one of the products in my Ulta haul is the Kylie Jenner face palette. Very good. You know them Kardashians. This is what we working with right here. You know what, Kylie Jenner? This bronze is popping. Especially for a pale princess like me. This is our true cool tone bronzer. Now, don't forget the fat rolls on the neck. To do the blush next. Baddie on the black. Oh, hey girl, did you make this for me? You know, some people like to put their blush on their nose or whatever, but I'll pass. I don't want to look like a sick Victorian child with influenza by putting blush on my nose. Or I'm just going to look cold. And everyone that sees me is going to be like, are you cold? Do you need a sweater? The Stranger Things face mask. Hello guys. I put on my eyelashes, my lips. The products I use on my lid. Jesus Christ, this is a lot. It came in like a big, like literally like colored pencils. It's I think called the big box of lippy pencils I use to line my lips. And then I dabbed a little bit of this NYX lingerie lippy and cheekies. And then the last product I use is this gloss by Mally. So today I will be using the Flower Beauty Matte Universal Version. Okay. This is the 096 by Japanese. I bought this at Marshall's. You know that's my store. We gonna tap off the excess and knock shit on the floor apparently too. Thank you for coming to my channel. Like, comment below, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when a new video come out, because why would you want to miss it? You know what they say,